Hey, what's going on, Kick family? Today we're going to discuss salt. So first, we got coarse kosher salt. We got Maldon smoked sea salt. We have regular sea salt. We have pink Himalayan sea salt. And then we have iodized salt or just table salt. The first salt we have is table salt. It has little to no nutritional value. It's sodium packed, and a lot of times you tend to oversalt your food with this because the granules are so small. Next, we have black Hawaiian salt. It's rich in antioxidants and has surprisingly low sodium levels. Also, it can help control heartburn and bloating, and it gives off a smoky taste. The next salt we have is Maldon salt or finishing salt. It's much less processed than table salt, allowing the salt to retain minerals such as iron, potassium, and zinc, just to name a few. It's very flaky and is used for finishing an item. Next, we have pink Himalayan sea salt. It contains over 80 minerals and elements. It helps control water levels in the body. It helps balance electrolytes in the body, and it also helps promote stable pH levels. Lastly, we have kosher salt. The advantages of kosher salt is its versatility. It is also easier to distribute evenly because of the grains are so sizable and rough. Use it when seasoning foods at any phase of the cooking process, and especially for curing and salting meats before cooking. This is my take on salts. Hope you guys like it. I'll check you guys out next week.